Number 9. We want to simplify this expression. So what we let's first actually write it here. So we have 5 times radical 50 minus 2 times radical 18 minus 6 times radical 8. Now, in order to be able to combine those terms, those radicals must have the same radicands, i.e. those numbers inside of radical signs must be the same, or they are not. Since they are not like radicals, so we cannot combine them. But we can try to simplify each of those radicals and see if we can get like radicals. Now, since this is a square root, we want to get squares inside here, then we can simplify. Well, now 50, so it's 5 times radical. 50 can be written as 25 times 2, and 25 is a square, so it will go out this radical sign as 5. It's actually a perfect square. It's 5 square. Minus 2 times 18 is 9 times 2, and pay attention, 9 is the square of 3. Minus 6 times 4 times 2, and 4 is a perfect square. Now what we can get after this is 5 times 25. Square root of 25 is 5, so we can write 5 times square root of 2. Minus 2 times square root of 9 is 3. So we will get 3 times radical 2 minus 6 times square root of 4 is 2. So that will go out as 2 times radical 2. So if we do this multiplications, 5 times 5 is 25, radical 2 minus 2 times 3 is 6, radical 2 minus 6 times 2 is 12 times radical 2. Now pay attention what we have after simplifying. Radical 2, radical 2, radical 2. So they are like terms and we can combine. Or you can think here that we can actually factor out this radical 2. And what we get is 25 minus 6 minus 12. Well, 25 minus 6 is 19, minus 12 is 7, so we get radical 2 times 7, or 7 times radical 2, and that's the answer, which as you can see is A.